Alright guys, hey, welcome back to nikobrothers. So we're continuing our build on our previously burnt RV, but now just a restoration. We got some new parts that came in. We got an AC vent, we got some covers off our parts camper that we got, so a lot of things to install. But we really want to get this sliding in. Our top sealant has already dried, so it's ready to go in. We got some good weather today. It'd be nice to close this up, and then that way we're, closed up, so no rain gets in or anything like that. So,
and we can use the AC inside.
Yeah, that'd be really nice. We keep going on the rebuild. There's a lot of stuff to do inside, but let's all get this together, get that slide in. We also got to do our seats, our front seats. Definitely got to talk about that. What you guys recommend to do? I'll show you our burnt ones. Either we got to get them reupholstered, find some new seats. If you guys know a place to get some good captain chairs or something like that, we'd love to read your comments about it. But for now, let's just get that slide in and these little AC covers.
Okay, so we're here on top of the roof and we're gonna be replacing the vent. So we're replacing the vent. This one, that's gonna be the main place, and this is the bathroom one. So that one already cut out. Let me show you how I did it. Okay, here we go. We got it all installed now. We put the self-leveling caulking on it. Michael just wired it up and it's spinning. It's really quiet, it's really nice. Ready to do the next one.
Alright guys, there we go, just like that. We got the fans installed, we got the AC cover on, adjusted. So basically now it's open, I got AC blowing here. If I close it, it's going more towards the side vents. It's working pretty good. Just go ahead and get that slide out in, and then we can close this thing up and get some
Well, let's check out the bathroom.
Yeah, let's check it out.
Looks nice and clean.
Yep, so basically
We got in and out airflow, so that's really nice.
Check it out. I wired it wrong the first time, but air in, and then air out. It'll stop and spin the other way.
Like that. So you can pull air out, pull air in. That's a really cool option, and it was a really affordable online too. So
yeah, feels good. Alright guys, so we got the slide in, and honestly this time it wasn't too bad. We kind of know what we're doing. Unfortunately, we forgot the rollers. So let's go ahead and take the slide back out, bolt these rollers down on where the anchor point is, where the little plate is basically. So we'll put these rollers on and put the slide back in, because it's pretty hard to do right now with the slide in. So, learn about doing, I guess. Alright guys, so second time's the charm. We had to take it out, put those rollers in, and honestly we got the rails in for the little gear ratio thing so it slides in nice and evenly. It was a little kind of tricky, make sure to get all four corners to come in, but we got it. I feel like it's in position where it's supposed to be, so that's nice. We are missing the motors, but for now we can still push it in and out. I do want to go ahead and get the wallpaper done, redo the floors, get the cabinets going, the ceiling part on it, refurb it, make it all nice. We'll get the stops on the side so it doesn't slide out. We'll put those plates in the bottom. We'll get it all secure so it'll be nice. And so I got the window out for now, so it'll be easier for the wallpaper and things like that. But hey, we're moving forward. We're gonna get it done. It's gonna look a lot nicer once we have this piece extended, and be a lot more room in here. So let's go ahead and get it done. Alright guys, and just like that, I got the wallpaper installed. Took a little time to prep it, you know, scrape off all the old wallpaper and like that, but it's looking a lot better. I still need some trim molding, so I need to go to the store and get some of that. I'm gonna get some on the bottom. We gotta redo the floors. There's obviously a lot more to do on this thing, but that's all the time I have for today, guys. I mean, it rained yesterday, no water got inside. I'm really happy how it turned out. The slide out is in. That is great news for us. So now we get this thing sealed up. But like we said, thanks so much for watching. Turn that notification bell. We do have more coming. We're getting this thing finished up. It's gonna be on the road soon. Okay, maybe not on the road yet. We still have a lot of work ahead of us, but it's definitely coming together. We thank you guys.